туда сзади! Гранату готов! Гранату!
While Russians are fending off Ukrainians' attacks in Zaporizhzhia, Ukrainian forces have launched a surprise assault near Kozachi Laheri, south of the Dnipro River and east of Kherson City. The operation most likely started 2 days ago, but the Ukrainian command prevented reporting of it for good reason. Multiple pro-Russian sources expressed their concern of the situation, since a bridgehead has been established. Some Russian sources even claim of a strike as deep as 26-24 feet, and the first line of Russian defense is broken. It will be interesting to see how this will play out, but even if it is only a small Ukrainian strike force, then it will already be useful when it compels Russian troops to redeploy back to Kherson and away from the Zaporizhzhia front lines. Meanwhile, a Kremlin-affiliated mill blogger claimed that Ukrainian forces have increased activity in the Dnipro River Delta, intensified shelling on Oleshki, 4 miles southeast of Kherson City, and that Ukrainian forces continue to hold positions near the Antonivsky Bridge and the adjacent Dacha area. This is a footage of Russian forces hitting Ukrainian troops in the Dacha area on the left bank of the Dnipro River with Fabi 250-500 bombs. Wagner PMC mercenaries are returning to Russia from Belarus. It appears they are being transported by buses, 500, 600 mercenaries at a time, back to Wagner bases in Rostov, Voronezh, and Krasnodar. Cover story: Vacation. After a successful attack by a surface drone, Russian large landing ship Olenogorsky Gornyak has lost its combat capability and will not return to the Northern Fleet, said the Navy speaker Dmitry Pletenchuk. The ship was so damaged that it could carry out its main mission. Conduct landing operations on the south coast will not be able to. Intense battle footage of Ukrainian troops storming the remaining Russian positions in Kleshchevka, south of Bakhmut City.
Заходим туда сзади! Гранату готов! Гранату! Заход! Заход! Да, да! Свой, давай! Граната! Готов! Подбираемся! 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 Блиндаж! Граната готов! Надвигаемся! Разрядка! Аккуратно, мой! Гранату надо! Скупчимся! Гранату! Ты звучит. Добей, блядь! Подвигайся, Ноль, подвигайся! Гранат! Отходь! Отходь! Отходь назад! Граната! Контроль!
In a sniper unit fighting without casualties since 2022, one fighter has eliminated 441 enemies by himself.
Якби не Василь, напевно, більшість мого підрозділу вже б давно загинув.
Ваш Василь це?
Це людина, якого ми подали зараз на Героя України, бо Василь трошки знищив 441 ворога. Та допоки будуть сили, будемо боротися.
God, loving Ukraine, punishes it, and Russians are God's instrument. Graduates of the FSB Academy are always ready to find an explanation and justification for the most heinous atrocities of their Kremlin curators. Violence is the main staple of the Russian autocracy.
Но что сейчас Господь, любя Украину, наказывает ее. Почему именно Украину? И вот эта ненависть украинцев сейчас к русским, ведь русские – это просто орудие Божие. Это как ремень, которым отец наказывает ребенка. А что стало происходить с Украиной 30 лет назад, когда она получила независимость? Она стала формировать государство, в основу идеологии которого положена была ненависть к России. Как там размещались военные лаборатории, биологические лаборатории. Про это тоже сейчас стало известно.
Despite Ukraine's summer heat, we do not recommend leaving the hatches open. After all, Ukrainian drone operators can easily raise 95 degrees to a scorching 4,500. Russians seem to be now using the homemade 324mm rocket launcher Snowflake, which is based on the Kraz 260 chassis. It was presented in May 2018 along with the MLRS Cheburashka. It is claimed to be in use in the direction of Urozhain, though this is not confirmed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.